Yo, yo, yo! Today I'm going to show you how to get free dice rolls and money in Monopoly Go completely for free. As you can see, I have over 18,000 dice rolls, and the most you can get is 3,200, and that costs $150. So I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton of dice rolls and cash in Monopoly Go in 2025 right away. Brothers, with me. Let's go. So basically, there's a site, I believe it's called zoomodds.com, and on this site you can actually get free dice rolls and money. So just come on down and type Monopoly Go, and sure enough, there's the Monopoly Go mod. So I'm going to press on it and it's going to start downloading. Now, I already did the download, but I'm going to show you guys how this process works from the beginning. So let's just let it download here. As you can see, so yeah, it's pretty wild because Monopoly Go is like so ass, like it's so hard to get money in it, but I discovered the secret. So I think I'm going to be a little bit different than other players with my bank account on Monopoly Go. So as you can see at the end, it says please install 2 free apps to automatically install the Monopoly Go mod. So there's going to be like 4 of these apps. You have to download them. Just press tap to install, brings you to the App Store, and you download it. Now, I'm on an Android. If you're on an iPhone, it will bring you to the App Store. But you can see they all have different instructions. So down install, earn 5k coins. Down install, register valid info. So you got to do what it says, and you got to make sure you do 2 of them. I'm in the US. If you're in another country, you're probably going to have different apps. If you're on the iPhone, you might have different apps. I'm on an Android. Regardless, just do it, and you're going to be done, bro. You're going to be rich. Look at that. 18,000 dice rolls. A ton of money as well. The most money you can get is 36k, it seems, which costs $14. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but be sure to try it out for yourself because this is super insane. And it's fully updated and everything. I've been checking it daily to see if I got banned, and I did not get banned.